What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, or if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Today we're going to be doing some odd bits and bobs. Basically Ross's 328 is making a mad clicking noise when you go around corners. Well, the whole time really, isn't it? It's just constant clicking. And we jacked it up the other day and it looks like one of the shafts has got play in it. So we're going to take the one out of this, as long as it's the same size. We haven't even looked at what diff's in this yet, and put it on that one for now, because we're going up to the BMW show next week, so a bit sketchy with that clicking noise. So we're going to do that and probably some other bits and bobs. Oh yeah. You know, I just realised as well, we didn't crack the bolts for the wheels. Work it, Ross. Work it. You're used to that, aren't you? Playing with the old shaft. Is it even going up?
I think so. A little bit.
The joy of jacking up low cars, eh?
How you doing?
How you doing? We managed to get the drive shaft off. Whew. Bloody pain. It came out quite nice, to be fair. It's just... No. Alright, so we got Ross's all jacked up now. And Rye's getting shafted over there. His new little whip over there. Right, back to work. Drive shaft bolts all loose now. Got this sketchy setup. Rye's still over there. Got to take the wheel off to get to the drive shaft nut in the middle. So that's next on the list. So his is completely shot. It's like works, but it makes so much noise. This one's solid, and this one's also the beefy ones. This one's the skinny ones. So yeah, whack this bad boy in. Come out alright. Rye's calmed down finally. Oh yeah.
Yeah. We're all good, don't worry.
All good. No tickets were issued today.
Yet.
Ross has got some new gearbox mounts as well. Did have. Running away. So while we're under the car, we might as well do it. It only takes 5 minutes to do them. So yes. It's another day, but we're gonna, I don't know what video this will be part of, but we're gonna give it a quick service. We've jacked it up at the front. We've got the Freshie Valvoline VR1 racing oil. I always run the 2050. I don't know, a lot of people run 1040 or 530, but I find 2050 is the best. Makes the engine sound smooth. The only difference is you just have to let the car warm up a bit more. But this stuff is the best oil that I've ever used. So yeah, let's get this bad boy service, shall we? We've got the purple coupe here as well today. This one gonna be lower in the rear a bit. Gonna try put the springs off of that one onto this one, because this one's a bit high at the rear, so give it a go anyway. That one's nice and low at the rear. That's as low as it will go at the moment with the current max speed and rod springs. Look like water, that stuff, doesn't it? Freshie new sump plug. If you're going to change your oil, always get a new sump plug and washer. And I recommend upgrading to one of these, the magnetic one. It just catches any little bits of metal that might be in the oil. It's definitely recommend that, and they're only like £5, so you might as well.
Right guys, I know you had enough of Max talking. That's why I'm on the video now. I'm only joking, bless him. The service is all complete. It's all done. Sounds nice. Runs lovely. Just going to, I don't know if you'll know, but I've bought a GT M3 style wing. That's all going on tomorrow. I've sanded it all down. Just going to take this duck tail off and get all that prepped up, so that'll be going on tomorrow. You might put that in one of the video clips as well, just fitting that. But yeah, she's good to go.
Right, so we're swapping the springs from that one onto this one. This is the old one. And it's absolute pain to get out with this one. Just slots straight in and it's baggy, so definitely lower. That was a mission.
British weather for you. If anyone's got a garage that'd like to rent us, cheap.
Loads of cars in.
4, 5 cars, if not more.
So I haven't been filming too much because I've just been powering through and it's been raining. But I just gave it a good old hammering and it seems to fit now. Fitment's much better now. I wouldn't recommend doing the arches like this. I just smacked the hell out of it with this and took all the, wherever it is gone, the foam stuff that's in here anyway. I peeled all that out, that was a nightmare. I've chipped the paint a bit, but I'll sand it down, and I've got some touch-up paint, so it's not too bad. But yeah, job's a good one. Now the other side, woohoo! Sits so much cleaner now. It doesn't stop raining. I don't know if you can see that. The things we do just to get a little bit better fitment.
What do you mean?
Bearing gifts. Lunchtime. Decent.
So I sanded her down a little bit, filled the holes in. She's all primered up. Probably get this painted tomorrow. Get the spoiler fitted for Friday, ready for BMW Fest on Sunday. Let's send it. Also, if anyone wants the ducktail spoiler of my black coupe, just message me or Max on Instagram. I'm going to be selling it cheap as well. So.
Right, so Ross has got a LTW GT wing, or whatever you want to call it. People get offended if you call it an LTW wing, even though it is an LTW wing. We're going to fit it on this bad boy. It's going to look wide and look beefy. Yeah, we haven't showed you the whole process of it all because, well, you've already seen that, but let's mount it up. We've got the plasticine, Play-Doh, whatever it is. Use this to mark the holes and centre punch, centre punch, some Loctite. Got some new bolts because the one that come with it normally are janky, and drill, hopefully. Yep, it's in there. Lucky didn't leave it at the garage. So yes. So you put the plasticine down roughly where the holes are on here. Make sure you stick it to the car because otherwise it sticks to the spoiler. And then you just put the spoiler on. Then you put the spoiler on.
2 hours later.
Yours lined up? Yeah? Yeah? Alright, press down hard. Oh. There we go. That's the holes. 2 little nips. Did a walk along the poop, mate. Attempt number 6.
There you go.
Rye's turned up in his little whip. It's been quite a pain trying to get these bolts to line up. What you have to do, take it off and you have to drill the top part out to make them line up because they're not really lining up, so fun times. And it's on. Absolute mission. It's taken us like 2.5 hours to do that. It took like an hour just to get some bolts in, but it looks fresh. So sick. Oh yeah. It's mean. Alright, so the other day I ended up having to take the spacers back off because the extended bolts were too long and they were touching something inside the hub. So I've ordered some studs. So I'm going to be doing stud conversion on the rear. I need the rear for now, so the only place I need it. Yeah, arch has already started to rust. You need to put some paint on that ASAP. So yeah, when you're installing these, make sure you put Loctite on the tip here and then put them in there. There we go, they're all on. Even snapped my Allen key in the end there. I don't know if you can see it. Nice, lovely jobbly. Halford's Advanced, better be getting a replacement for one of them. There we go, beautiful mate. Voila, looks so much better, so much easier to put the wheel on. It's like, yeah, there's like no gap hardly. It's enough for like 3 credit cards, I'd say. Nice. Needs a wash, we'll go give it a wash later on. Beautiful. Now the other side. Before and after. Done. So yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I know it was a bit all over the place. It's basically, I filmed it over a period of a few days, might have been a week or so, because we're doing little bits each evening basically. Ross's car looks sweet, and the purple one's got a nice fitment now, so which is decent. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.